Hey, so welcome to another house tour in San Diego. All right, so today we're going inside 4639 Iroquois Avenue, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house here in Bay Park 92117. Bay Park currently has a median house price of $1,379,000 for single family detached homes, or $823 per square foot. The median market time, or how long it typically takes for a house to sell, is currently 11 days. At 644 square feet, this Iroquois Avenue house has a price tag of $1,299,000, which equates to about $790 per square foot. Guys, at this price, you're getting a stunning home with breathtaking western views of Mission Bay and Seaworld for less than the median price point, making this an absolute best buy of the neighborhood. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But before we get into it, if you wanna keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market, then make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hey guys, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. If you would like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, then just go to step number 2, get help in the description below, and reach out whichever way is most convenient for you. So as we enter the house here, you have a really awesome large entryway. It's super wide. You have a spot to have a bench there if you wanted to for shoes. But the floors here are a travertine tile. To your right there is the hallway to the bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms and 2 baths are there. This is the garage, the 1-car garage. Pardon the mess here, we put all of our stuff there, but you can see the washer and dryer are located out there, and there's tons of storage above. This room here is your half bath, which is in a perfect location. It's far enough away from the main living space to where it's private, but it's also close enough to where you don't have to go down the hallway where the bedrooms are just to use the restroom when you have guests over. Here is the main living space. It's beautiful, guys. Out that direction are views, western views towards the Mission Bay and Seaworld. And here you have a very large open kitchen with tons of cabinetry and countertop space. This is a dual stainless steel sink which overlooks the covered back patio, which would be a great place for a larger dining room, a larger dining table. You have a gas stove for cooking, and look at those wood beam ceilings. It's hard to capture in this video just how large this space is, but it's awesome. These windows here bring in a ton of natural light. You can see that AC condenser out there, which is newer. I'm going to try to capture the views here, which this video, I'm zooming in here. You can't really see it, but that's where Seaworld is, and in Mission Bay. You get some beautiful Seaworld firework. The floors here are an engineered wood flooring. Again, guys, I love these wood beam ceilings. They're just beautiful. So here, let's go out to the back patio real quick, the covered back patio, at least on the side of the house. Again, this would be a really good place for another dining area, just to stay out of the sun and have some nice, pretty evening dinners. And you can put some nice string lights up there. Coming back inside, check out the lighting. You'll notice it throughout the house, but the lighting is all recessed lighting throughout. Here we have newer carpets. We just installed those. And here's bedroom number 1. It's facing the front of the house towards the front street. Pretty simple room, right? There's central, you'll see the ducting throughout. There's central AC and forced heating throughout the house. These are the other 2 bedrooms. This is the bathroom that services the 2 guest rooms. It's got a nice deep tub, which is great for bathing if you had kids. And the travertine stone tiles go all the way up to the ceiling. This is bedroom number 2. The front, or the window, faces the front of the house. Again, I love the little nook here for a desk to keep that out of the way. But again, recessed lighting in this room as well. All right, making our way around the corner is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a little bit larger than the other 2 bedrooms. It faces the side of the yard, which is western. And what I like about this room is it has this little hallway here, which has the closet and leads to the master bedroom. But it's a great spot to, especially with the mirror closet doors, for like a changing area. Nice clean bathroom, and a larger standing shower with the glass doors there. It makes it feel really luxurious. It's a very nice large shower. Okay, coming back out, I want to take you over to the backyard. Again, but before we do, this little hall closet, just for, you know, linens and jackets and maybe even a vacuum. But as we're making our way back out to the back of the house towards the backyard, I wanted to let you know that this house is in the Toller Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Marston Middle School and Clairemont High School. Okay, I love this deck. This deck is awesome. It keeps you elevated so you can capture those western views. It'd be a great place for a barbecue and just a great place to entertain and soak in everything that this part of Bay Park and Clairemont have to offer. Again, that's Seaworld, and I'm gonna try to zoom in again. It's really hard to capture the views on video. You need to come see it in person. But the backyard it's super private. Look at how tall the fencing is along the side of the house. It keeps it very, very private. And this is grass, so if you have pets, it'll stay nice and clean. And then a lovely gardening area. But beautiful, beautiful home. It's gonna make a great house for anybody that moves in. Okay, thanks so much for touring 4639 Iroquois Avenue with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and we offer a proven and repeatable home sale process that's backed by client results, adding up to 18% more money to your bottom line than traditional real estate agents. So if you'd like to protect your family and your finances through the home sale process over the coming months, just go to step number 2, the Get Help section in the description below, and reach out in whichever way is most convenient for you. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out the next 2 videos that should be on your screen now, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.